G'day YouTube, it's Turbo Tristan here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just on my way home now from the Melbourne Honda Club's Honda meet up in Derrimut. It was awesome getting to meet everyone and shake hands with a lot of subscribers. So thanks very much for everyone that came out. Special thanks to everyone that met up in Springvale. We cruised up together. There's a little bit of footage of that, which you'll see. Met a whole ton of interesting characters, and I look forward to catching up in the future and doing features on your cars. Unfortunately, I had to leave early due to some issues with my car, so sorry if I seemed a little bit, distracted, but the car wasn't performing the best. I actually had to get a couple of guys to push start me, so thanks very much for that. Just my luck, really embarrassing. But it is what it is. That's cars for you, and it's driving perfectly and running fine. Just because it hasn't been tuned, it's just the cold start issues. I hope you enjoy the content. Because it was dark, I'm just going to put most of this to just some music so everyone can see who was there and what cars were out as best you can. thinking about having my own meetup down south in Springvale. I'll let everyone know about that probably in a month or two. We'll do it in a well-lit car park, undercover, so there'll be lights. Doesn't matter if it's raining, if there's weather problems or anything like that. So that's going to be my plan. So stay tuned to the channel for an update and all of the Melbourne Honda forums. We'll get together and we'll meet up in a car park with lights. Doesn't matter about the weather. And I look forward to seeing everyone then. It's a bit closer to home for me as well. So thanks for watching, and as always, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Just a small bit of content today, guys, so thanks for watching.